Okay guys, we are going to talk about synonyms. You just watched a video on synonyms and antonyms, so we're going to talk about the word said today. And we're going to find synonyms, words that mean the same as the word said. And the definition of said is to, let me get my marker, to have told someone something. That is the definition of said. So in our story, Clark the shark, Clark is really loud in our story. And so the author uses lots of different words to tell us how Clark says things. So he says, recess rocks. And when the author says that, when he tells us what Clark had said, he said that Clark bellowed recess rocks. So that is another word for said is bellowed. He bellowed recess rocks. Another word for said, Clark said, school is awesome. And when he says school is awesome, he shouted it. So that is another way. He shouted that school was awesome. Another word that the author uses in our book is yelled. When Clark said, lunchtime is sweet, he yelled that word, those words. So another word for said is yelled. If you want to pause the video right now, you can pause the video and you can talk to an adult or an older sibling that maybe can talk to you about other words for said. So if you pause right now and you came back, we're going to talk about some more words. Maybe some of these are words that you have thought of. The author could use the word cried. The author could use the word smiled. The author could use the word asked. And these words are all words that mean the same as said. Other words for said, we have bellowed, shouted, yelled, cried, smiled, and asked. Those are all different words for the word said. So we're going to write a sentence and we're going to use one of these words to tell how we said something. So I'm going to say, I hurt my toe. We need quotation marks to show that I said that. And so I put my quotation marks in here and I said, what I said was, I hurt my toe. And I'm going to say, I cried. That's how I said it. I'm going to say, I hurt my toe. I cried. So that is another word for said.